This is Tecno Pova 6 Neo, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by checking for available security and system updates, since those things are really important for your system security. And well, the way you do that is by launching your device's settings, then here enter the privacy or password and security category. Let me reduce the screen brightness a little bit so you can see everything better. Here, go for the, first of all, security update and check if there is an available update you can install, and if it will be a newer software version, make sure to download and install it right away. And you can also check for Google Play System Update, since it also usually, well, comes with a lot of security fixes and optimizations, maybe patches for known threats and vulnerabilities. So here, press the download and install button and allow your system to get the newest software version that is available. Then you can also launch the Google Play Store app. Then here, tap at your profile picture, go for the Play Protect, and scan your phone for harmful apps. And if this tool will find any, make sure to uninstall those apps right away. And the final advice that I have for you is that you simply try using some third-party antivirus solutions, such as Avast, for example. But if you know any other antivirus app or security app that you trust more, just go for it. It does not necessarily have to be this particular one, obviously. So just get yourself one of those and use it to check your system for viruses and any other possible security threats. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.